Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome back to Finally Revealed. In today's video, I want to talk about what you can expect for a penalty or fees if you have a traffic matter that needs to be amended, or in a situation where a traffic ticket is fixed, and what is that going to cost you. Now, I'm not going to be able to guess what your particular situation is. It's going to depend upon the severity of the charge and where you are, where it happened, and who's involved. Some things are going to cost more than others, but for a random traditional speeding matter and something or a moving violation that involves running a stop sign and something similar to that, following too closely, where there's not an accident and you're not in one of the other categories that I detail on another video, where are things that cannot be amended. So watch that if you have any questions. But you're going to have to pay this original fine that was listed on the ticket, sometimes up to double or more of that fine. You may or may not have to pay court costs, and you may or may not have to pay an attorney, depending upon whether an attorney is required for you to be represented in this matter, or they aren't required and you choose to try to do this on your own. So when you think about this and the reason for you wanting to have the matter amended, then you need to think about that. Now, in cases beyond the normal guidelines, most jurisdictions have normal guidelines through the prosecutor's office on what they can and can't adjust, amend, or fix, whatever you call it. And if it's beyond those guidelines, then there may be additional costs. There may be traffic school, either in person or online, and the cost of that. There may be a diversion agreement, which is an agreement that you agree to do or refrain from doing something for a period of time that may or may not be monitored. And there's usually, if it's monitored, there will be a fee for the monitoring person. There will be a fee related to the paperwork and signing the agreement, and those will be in addition to your attorney's fee, your fine, and other court costs. Then, depending upon how many times you or your representative, your attorney, have to go to court, there will be additional fees for that. So you need to figure out how many appearances the attorney will have, whether there is a diversion agreement, whether it's just a fine, whether it's fine plus costs. And then one other tip is, in connection with these, your attorney's going to need to be paid up front. The costs and the penalties will be paid at the time or right after the hearing. Some jurisdictions may allow you to have some time to pay, so find out in advance. If you're going to need additional time to pay, sometimes the hearing can be moved out so that you can save up the money to do this and take care of it. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them for me. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.